generate a graph of, let's say, a survey. Let's say this is the survey problem, number of people. So this is the problem in the community. There's the number of people that you were able to query, you were able to ask questions. So you want to generate a graphical representation of this data, right? To do this, you are going to use that in Excel. So let's say you want to generate a graph like this. I'm going to do that in Excel. So first of all, you open your Excel. Then let's say I'm going to type, let's say, lightning, let's say light issues. Then let's say water issues. Then let's say road. Then let me add one more. Let me say let's say pollution. And let's say that probably the number of people. So let me say 34, then 24, and let's say 18. And let's say 18 here. This is the data you receive from your query. Now I want to show a pictorial view of this, like generate whether a pie chart or a bar graph. So I'm going to first of all select this whole thing, this whole data. Then I come to insert. And I'm going to click on recommend charts. Then you see that they have recommended several charts for me. So this is a bar graph and a pie. If I want a pie chart, I'm simply going to use this. Then I'm just going to click on OK. If you want this, so you can simply click here. But for this, let's say I want a pie chart. So I'm going to select the pie chart. Then I'll click on OK. So my graph has been generated. But this is so raw. I have to add certain things to show what I'm talking about. So let's say I'm going to add so this already the chart title. So let's say I'm going to type in whatever thing I want to type in there. You type it. Then let's say that what do you want to show? So I can choose. You can just go ahead and apply aesthetics to this, to your own preference, right? So let's say I want this. I want to show the percentages of this. So this is what I want. So now if I want to insert this in my Word, I'm just going to select this. I'm going to right click, then I copy, right? Then I come to my Word. Then let's say I'm going to choose where I want to paste. I want to paste here. So I'm going to paste this as a picture. So I come to my paste clipboard. Then the last one you see picture. So I'm going to paste this as a picture. Then it has been pasted in here, right? Neatly done this way. Now let's say that I want to make it, I want this instead a bar graph. So let's say insert recommend charts. Then I want a bar graph. So I'm going to select this. Okay. So now I have this. With this, I want to show my axis. So let's say I'm going to click the add sign, then add axis title, right? So let's this part I'm going to say this part is what? Problems. Let's say problems in my community. So problems in my community, right? Let's say this way. Then on the y-axis, let's say I have what? The frequency, or let's say number of people this way, right? So you can, I don't want to show my series, so I can just, you realize I don't show my grids. You can do whatever you want to do, data labels, right? You can do whatever you want to do in here, add whatever you want to add over here as well. Good. So let's say I have this. So if you want to edit this, you can just select this home, can change the size. You realize that the moment I change the size, it starts increasing and all that. Then you apply whatever editing you want to apply. Again, with this two, I select, then I copy, right? Then if I want to paste, I just come to my Word, and I locate where I want to paste this image. So let me delete this. Let's say I want to paste here. Let's say I want to paste. So I just right click, or I go to my paste, then I paste as what? Picture again, and it appears. And I can now go ahead and center it, right click, and add my caption to it. So this is how you generate a graph for a given data.